Oi, 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 oi! Jeez. So that's somebody who did not look before opening his door. It's a good thing that I don't ride in the door zone very much anyway. It shows you just how far open a door can get thrown. Let's remember, if you're the driver in that situation, the driver would be held liable. It would all come out of his insurance. And sadly, it's one of the biggest causes of killed and seriously injured cyclists together in London.